Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. I get, and if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say. Right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. Welcome to another topic in our curriculum, which is sales. I see on and on throughout the platform people nagging and complaining about their lack of sales, the distance between the last sales and their next sales, and all of that. And I think something is wrong with their approach to this. A lot of them, they think that PosterMyWall employed you. We think the situation is an employment situation, and the sales is supposed to be a payment for doing design on the platform. And that's usually why they don't do much more than in fact, they don't even go the extra miles at all, because they think it's an employment situation, and because of that, they talk and like as if there's a lot of entitlement to the way they're approaching this thing. And I look at that and I thank God that I had very basic advantages. I have done a stint on sale. If I've not put money behind advertising, online advertisement, I've put $1 million plus in Naira has gone into that direction. So I know the ups and downs. I've seen genuinely amazing results from certain individual areas of these things that you're seeing me talk about now. Are you getting it? And that's one. So to solve that entitlement approach, go through my course. You will see me tell you that this is not a gig situation. This is not an employment situation. This is like any other platform. This is just like being on Amazon KDP, or being on Amazon, or being on Shopify, or you are building a store, a shop, a store. And the platform already promises that there are 750,000 uses of template on the platform monthly. And of course, we know that 20% of that uses results in sales. That is still a lot. Are you getting it? Someone on this platform is monopolizing this result, not because of any specific advantage, or because they are doing much more than you are doing now to make sales. Are you getting it? It's just the simple truth. So stop nagging, stop complaining, stop talking about it like as if you will not win that way. Are you getting it? When I started the first month, I made 2 sales, but I just had like 10 or 15 designs. The whole first month, I made like 2 sales, right? By the second month, I was growing in the templates on my store, but sales was not going up commensurately. But I knew what I was doing. I knew that there is value in what I was doing. I knew that at some point sales will begin to respond, because I'm doing all the right stuff. It doesn't matter how long it takes, and that is why I'm the one talking to you now. Are you getting it? Stop all this entitlement mentality and do and let yourself know you're building a store. You are primarily responsible for sales. You've not spent 1 naira on advertisement driving traffic to your store. Some of you don't even have Pinterest accounts where you post the designs you make and a link to use it. No, you don't. But PosterMyWall itself has a Pinterest account and they post your design. The moment you publish, they post that design and a link to customize it. They are doing the needful. You are not. You don't even have a Facebook page where you are posting all that. You don't even have an Instagram account to that effect. You don't even run advert to that effect. Like, you're doing nothing and you're expecting, like, that is too much entitlement, and I think it's wrong. Are you getting it? I know it's wrong. You are solely responsible. If sales is coming to you and you're not even doing anything, you already eating more than you baked. Are you getting it? So chill. Now, there are many things that drive sales, and I've talked about it individually on all of this other topic. One is this: you have to get quality right. Anything does not go. Anything cannot go. You can't just be doing ridiculous designs and expecting sales to follow suit. It doesn't matter how old your store is. If you are winning sales now with a ridiculous design, just know the life cycle of that design will be short. At some point, it will look like as if the platform forgot. But you should know that you're not designing for PosterMyWall. You're designing for the people who come to make use on PosterMyWall. It's the difference many people don't see, and that's why they feel so frustrated. You are doing designs for people who actually have businesses, who have products and services, who have party and all of that are trying to promote or tell the world about what they're doing. That's who you are designing for, not PosterMyWall. Are you getting it? And if you still have a problem with this, go back to my topics on vision, mission, production and all of that. Are you getting it? But that's true. You have to get quality right. You have to be intentional. You have to do your research and find out where design is now, the styles that matter now, the styles that are beginning to take shape, so that you have both modern and professional designs. Not a key, and some of the key designs I'm seeing is coming from the fact that when you look at the leadership board, you see people who are there with 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, 22,000 templates. And given that before 2023, right, the maximum you can publish a day is 10. So you can estimate already that if they were doing design every day, if they are publishing like 10 designs every day, probably took them 3-4 years to arrive at how many that is in their store. Fine, but of course you know it took more than that, because nobody actually does 10 designs every day to publish. Given the fact that sales will not follow suit, you are not actually directly selling, you are just populating your store with templates, right? So you know it took more time, and because of that, because they are already on leadership board recognized, so many of you who are irresponsible, who do not want to do the needful by doing research and all of that, finding out where to put their foot, how to position their store. Are you getting it? Just look at the people on leadership, look at the kinds of designs they are doing, and generally start doing their kind of design. Just know this. You're making a huge mistake. Are you getting it? That's number one. Secondly, quantity. If you like, do some of the best designs. You have to populate that your store. Like 30 designs, and you are selling? Do you imagine that you're selling the design to PosterMyWall? Or you are building a store that people would find your design useful and keep patronizing, using and bringing sales to you. Like you have to get quantity right now. What do you mean by that? You have to get your design. When I started, the major knowledge I gleaned from looking at the leadership board is actually what it will take to be on the leadership board. That's the major, not the style of design, just what it is going to do, the numbers, the metrics I need to aim for. Are you getting it? In order to be on the leadership board. That's all I gleaned. That's actually the major information I gleaned by looking at the leadership board. Not their style of design, just the metrics. Because every result can be boiled down to numbers. So when I did the math, I knew, okay, I need at least 1,500 design to be. I know I'm going to get quality right. I just needed 1,000. So I started aiming for 1,500 design. By the end of 1 year, I did 480 designs. That was still big. Like, it was big. Like if you had to split it across the 365 days, you know that it was still big. It means that I was publishing design at least once every day. That was still big. Given the limitations I was facing here in Nigeria, light, all kinds of unforeseen things that was happening throughout that 2024. That was still huge. But I was determined. I get it, because I knew the numbers that it takes to be on the leadership board, and it was simple for me. I need to be on the leadership board. I get it. Why? Because it will cut my advertising, any plan I have for advertising, in half. While the platform actually starts promoting you. When you click on hire a designer, they suggest people who are already on the leadership board. They have a formal in honor for you, because numbers matter. Algorithm actually observe numbers a lot. Are you getting it? Get the number right. Don't just be duplicating your design, making few adjustments. You can get this thing going. It is your store, so be intentional about populating it. I mean, would you go to a boutique that says it has some of the most premium products, but just has 3 in the entire store? Are they joking? No. But if you say you've gotten quality right, then get quantity right too. Because then you start making real sales. Then you start getting the algorithm to really promote you. The algorithm, because you have to know that activity is the proof of life, right? If you're not publishing, the algorithm probably starts rating your store as that you have quit, number one. Secondly, it starts rating your store as stops. You probably no longer doing you probably don't have any modern designs again. Are you getting it? Meanwhile, you have to know it's a competitive platform. We are competing for a portion. That use you are screaming and saying all these use. The platform says that on average they have 750,000 designs. Do you know how many designers are on the platform and how many designs they have each? Actually, somebody has 22,000, 44,000 templates on their store. Are you getting it? One person. So you see, it's a fierce competition for a portion of that 750,000 already, and it's even fiercer for sales, which is probably 20 to 40% of that customization. You are in a very fierce competition. That's trying to bite from the cake that is already on ground, not even from running advertisement and all of that. Come on now, come on. Are you getting it? Quality. Do your research. That's the third thing. Do research. Find out where design is going to today. Find out what categories. Do your research. Follow your numbers. Stick to it. I stuck to it. I'm still aiming to get my first shop to 1,500. Meanwhile, I've started a second shop. Are you getting it? And I'll do a third shop equally, right? Because I figured out the formula, and I know how to. People say, man, I'm in Nigeria, no. We don't carry last to. Most important, I'm even Igbo self. I'm Igbo. We don't carry last to. I joke result because I buy back our. We don't come here to talk stories. You get? We're not using result to play here. Because our society. Oh my God. You get? Then the third thing, do research. Then the fourth thing is publicity. Give your store publicity. Be on every platform. Be on LinkedIn. Be on Facebook. Be on Facebook page. Be on Instagram. Be on Pinterest. Be everywhere. I'm telling you, be everywhere. The reason why I actually want you to do numbers is because the audacity that numbers gives you is crazy. Are you getting it? Once you get quality and you start hitting real numbers, like you know that by the end of the year you're targeting like 1,500 designs. Are you getting it? Even if you don't publish them, but you still have them, you have them already finished designs to be published, right? You're targeting for that. You see what number does for you is that, of course, PosterMyWall is not the only channel your business is earning money from. It's an extension. I have a store, right? That's not the only extension for Top Design. Top Design is also having a second shop on PosterMyWall. That's one thing. I get Top Design 9 is on Fiverr too. We are building on that too, and we're extending into other platforms. We're making applications to Canva. I getting it for approval. That too, right? I also have physical clients. But then you see, this victory I have in PosterMyWall gives me a ridiculous audacity. You get, I used to charge like say 1,000, 2,000 naira design, and it will be a drag. Customer clients will be treating you like, and then in 1 year I did 480 designs. My dear, I had dangerous audacity. You get, by that alone, they were just some work I cannot do again. It's not possible. Are you getting it? Because I cemented a taste for premium in my spirit by that quantity and quality. So much so that if the price I'm calling for you is something you don't want to pay, you should go. Because it already tells me a lot. It told me that you'll be a serious problem for me. Do you understand? Yes, I will not do my best work working for you. Not because of the money, but because you have tons and tons of correction. You will not let me be the expert because you are paying rubbish. I get it. You don't let me be the professional. You want to correct things that you don't even know why it should be that way. I get it. Do the numbers and you will have redonkulous audacity. That's just the simple truth. I'm telling you. You have redonkulous audacity. You become, it spans into everything, man. Just aiming to figure out sales spans into everything. Because what you will do to secure sales will change you, will give you a new level of confidence, a new level of appreciation, a new level of, because like I keep saying, what I'm teaching here, you can refute it, you can deny that it works and all of that, right? But the results are there. It's still up to you. But one thing for sure, you cannot take what I've done has done to me from me at all. Are you getting it? So do your socials. Come on now. And then spend more on advertisement. In preparation for spending more on advertisement, make sure that every time you write, you publish your design. Don't just add 5 tags, random tags. Add one of the tags as the name of your shop. Are you getting it? I'm telling you. So that you go and read books on sales. So do some course. Like, ask us, how do I increase these sales, man? You understand? I'm telling you, these are the things I have done for 1 year. And look where I am now. I'm the one teaching you what to do. You get? All these things I've been discussing in this entire course is what I've done for 1 year. That's it. Thank you.